Hello, friends. Good morning. Today, I will introduce myself.
My name is Mr. Monkey Officer. I am a forest officer.
I always wake up at 5:30 a.m.
First, I drink warm water with lemon. Then, I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth. After that, I take a bath. Next, I get ready for my day. I wear my uniform. Then, I make breakfast for myself. These are so good!
After breakfast, I go to the forest for patrolling.
My duty is to check the whole jungle. I see if everything is safe and fine.
Then, I walk to my Jeep and drive around the forest. Whee! Look at all the trees! This is so much fun!
I check the area and meet all the animals. Hello, my friends. Everything looks safe and sound.
In the afternoon, I drink fresh juice.
Then, I go inside the jungle again.
In the evening, I return to my treehouse with my Jeep. The sunset makes the jungle look so beautiful. We're almost home now.
I feel happy because everything is safe.
At night, I eat my dinner and relax.
After dinner, I sit on my balcony. I look at the moon and stars. I feel calm and happy.
Then, I go to sleep. Good night.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.